Friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a euro symbol, your currency symbol on your Google Sheets on your computer or web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a euro symbol on your Google Sheet web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet on your web, so you just need to use an alternative as a keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut for the euro symbol is actually you just want to press alt key plus 0128. Okay, so I just going to press alt key plus 0128, which will make that symbol alt key plus alt key 0128. Press alt key plus 0128 and you can see now it's inserting the euro symbol, and now you can just copy the symbol and you can place wherever you just need it. This is how you just insert a euro symbol on your Google Sheet web or on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.